Carpet making is closely connected with the history and culture of Turkmenistan, and is still an incredibly important resource to the economy. So important were these textiles that in 1992, Turkmen Carpet Day was created to celebrate the tradition of carpet weaving. When we think about specific groups, we can always recognize specific features. Turkmenistan's rugs, for instance, were always characterized by rich deep reds, scarlet, orange, purple, and brown. There are 5 motifs, or goes, that can be found within a carpet's design. These represent each of the 5 provinces and are even depicted on Turkmenistan's flag. Even more interesting is an old Turkmen proverb about just how recognizable the rug motifs were. "Show me a rug," it says, "and I'll tell you who you are." Bayramov was interested and created paintings that could teach other countries in the USSR about Turkmenistan's history and culture. The artist often used Turkmen textiles as backdrops for his portraits and still lifes. Artists were commissioned to paint carpet weaving and textiles as propaganda because of its economical importance to the country. Displayed at the Tretyakov State Gallery, this painting captures 3 carpet makers in the process of weaving a traditional teke rug. The highly skilled women work together as a team to create beautiful patterns and complex motifs. Bayramov uses deep red hues to create a feeling of rich history as the artisans weave the silk threads back and forth. A culture that is rich in traditions, carpet weaving techniques are passed down from the mother to the daughter. Bayramov captures these skillfully woven textiles in many of his paintings, allowing for the history of the object to become immortal.